So we're out of here. I don't know, I should have went to Kyoto again, but whatever. Still got a beautiful ride in. Filled up with some water. I'm in the mountains, which is really nice. I still got to bike up that tunnel though. Like I said, I'm probably just going to jump on the sidewalk and walk up. I don't want to bike up a tunnel. It's so narrow, I'm so slow. But that's it. We're gonna go back to the hotel now. I'm hoping that wind I'm feeling is just because I'm in kind of like a valley or a coulee, and it's just that mountain air coming down. I hope, please. But we're out of here. We're going to backtrack. We're gonna backtrack the way I came, so we're basically gonna follow the exact route all the way back to the hotel. It's probably not the fastest, but it's the way I don't have to fiddle with my Garmin. See ya. And I just bought 3 bottles of carbonated water, and it tastes awful, but it doesn't matter now because we're going. This is very nice. Wow. This was a bad idea. This was a beautiful bad idea. Well, there's a story. I just biked 28 miles to buy awful tasting water. The highlight of the trip. I got a gas station up ahead. I might actually just dump this out and buy something else. Carbonated water. It said natural spring water. It's like, you know, the deers and the bears have been walking through it and stuff. That's the water I want. Oh, that's a rocking house. I've decided I'm going to drink it. You know, I paid 190 yen for this water. I don't want to dump it out. I have 3 bottles of it. I think I'll just tough it out, and then maybe refill them when I get to... I'll refill them when they're empty, of course. I'm really that cheap. Oh my goodness. I don't want to dump out 3 bottles of water that cost $2. I'll just rather suffer. And that's that hill with the tunnel that I biked out of. Like, is there another way out? I don't want to bike in the tunnel. Maybe there is another way out. This thing's not telling me to take the tunnel. It's still a hill though. We're walking. Yeah, with the cars going by, the wind, you know, you know, it's too much sun out today to attempt this. You know? It's too sunny to be doing this. I'll just walk it. Well, I'm glad to be out of that. I wasn't the only one walking. There was a lot of bike tire marks, and there were some footprint marks. I wasn't the only one hiking up that. What was it, 12 Celsius? Even tells me the weather. Either or, it's t-shirt weather. Not once did my Garmin lose connection in there. Like, it held strong. I love all the stuff on the road. It looks so cool. Oh, I'm getting blown. Almost like I know where I'm going. Ah, red light. Wait, go back. There we go. Now I don't have to downshift. Yeah, I'm slow, okay? Give me a break. This is so nice. I can even enjoy it without busting a lung like I did on the way up. This paint is really thick. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Like, I love biking in new places. Oh, so nice. V-Spec to Nero. Oh. And then a Civic Type R, another Skyline, a Challenger, hope it's a Hemi, some more Skyline. This guy's got the stuff. So I just left my halfway point, or my waypoint that I used last time as a marker. And yeah, when I left, it was in Hashimoto. There was a kid having some McDonald's there. No big deal, paid no attention. Taking photos of the skyline, but like 2 hours later, he goes whizzing by me. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. And I asked him, where are you going? He's like, yeah, he lives in Osaka. We both just went out there for a bike ride. And like, I detoured, I went to some different ways, and like, there's no way we, all coincidence that we ran into each other again. In a city of 19 million people. This time I just programmed in my hotel. I was going to go to the zoo again. Take the zoo and then, but it was only 12 miles to the hotel. So I figured, well, I'll just do that instead of going to the zoo again. The zoo had those cool stickers. I still need a sticker. I'm putting that ticket sticker on the bike. So here's my zigzag. Oh, we are not going very far, very fast at all. Oh, you know something? Maybe we are. Oh, it's so much more fun being a cyclist. So far, so good. Feel good. My butt feels good. The booty. Still taking me on my double backing route. Things might change pretty soon. So far, just a nice, calm, cool ride back to the hotel. Well, it's 4 o'clock. I've gone roughly 50 miles. And I still feel good. I feel like I could do another 100K tomorrow. But that's right now. Who knows how I'm gonna feel when I wake up. Now I'm just really thinking about supper. This guy's got his phone on his gauge cluster and he's watching TV while he's driving. And she has a dog in her basket. We're at... Am I on my lane? No, I'm not. Whee! We're basically at the zoo. I forgot the name of the train station. Kenzisumi? From here on out, as I turned, I came from the right and went straight. Come on, stop it. No, stop it. Yeah, and I turned down here. So now I'm going straight. My line told me to go right and then straight. So this is going to be all new road. It is a neat walking bridge too. So this is it. Here's my hotel. The grand total of, we'll say 55 miles, rounded up. It's 4:37. Well, that's pretty good. Good time. I forget what time I left. Hope you enjoyed this ride. It did not turn out, but it was still a beautiful day. Beautiful ride. I think I'm going to order pizza again. See ya.